Welcome to Ngobo 1010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Eitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumo Gallants 0. My brother, how's it?
Good on yourself, Strogo. How are you?
Good, thanks, man. What's your take on the game tonight?
I just wanna talk about Lomfano squishing Love.
Yeah.
Inkinga lomchi.
Strong, ne?
Yeah, when squishing Love is a delight to watch. Not the ultramel and a custard in Dota Yami. Yes, Lomchita umnandi. And sabona with pass pulela ma player now was keep a little primitive way to Abona. So
Aksumu down.
Police man out here. And as I say, as I'm a fans with money. Updating my kids, I was speaking a lenda by Eva. Because players are limala. I'm a player manning limala and manje you can't play them for the next game because now players are getting hurt.
Exactly.
And I'm a referee by a bona, but it almost seems as if I'm a brown envelopes here and there. But all I just wanted to say, it's a joy to watch you squishing Love. That guy makes the game even nandi. Thank you.
So we know when the next time we use the stadium
Mbuyela yena uyabona makungu squish uBennett Mukwena out yami
intwana
yazi le intwana encane uyabona ukuthi Sundowns yagruma manje
exactly
not just ukuthi why bazosifakela amaheme embade sithenga ama player ngaphandle na kuphi no bakhona ama player around siyapheka we are cooking ngisho so let the chef cook
number one
thank you brother.